ice cream truck.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. So I've never done a favorites video before, and I thought I would start today by doing a May favorites video. I have just a few items that I liked enough to include in this video, so I'm going to share those with you right now. Quit yapping, Lou. Okay, we're going to start with Mario Badescu. I'm sure you guys have seen this around for quite some time now. I thought I'd try it. I bought this at Nordstrom Rack. Not this, a smaller one. And I tried it out and I liked it so much I went on the Mario Badescu website, purchased this as well as the aloe vera one and 2 face washes. Well, so far I really like this stuff. I spray it on after I wash my face and it gives it a very moisturized feeling even after it has dried. But no, I don't stop there. I spray this stuff on my face 2 or 3 times a day. Like right now. It smells so good. It smells like that rosewater perfume that I remember in high school. Yeah. Really long time ago. Anyway, I've also read that you can spray this on after putting on your makeup as sort of a setting spray. I don't know how I feel about that, but I do really like this stuff. I have not used the face wash enough to really say anything about that yet, but maybe soon. My second favorite, I think I've mentioned this before, but this particular dry shampoo is absolutely the best. It's Batiste dry shampoo, and this one in particular, the blonde one, I've tried the others. It leaves sort of a white residue on my hair. This does not. This gives actually my roots a little bit of a touch up. But I used to buy this all the time at TJ Maxx, and I think I took it for granted that it was available there because I have no longer been able to find it except for on Amazon. So I bought a 3-pack for around $24. Oh, and Ava uses the brown one. So I'll put a link down below where you can get either. There's black too, I think. Is there red? I don't know. Anyway, best dry shampoo out there. Next. So vitamin C for your face. We all know that that stuff is amazing for an antioxidant. And I was using the Ordinary's vitamin C cream. And it was pretty gritty and it stung, which was not a bad thing, but that's just what I was using. And I was mailed a couple of items from Exuviance. Yeah, Exuviance. Sounds like a replacement name for Viagra. Anyway, what I think is funny is it's called AF vitamin C. And that could either mean as or absolutely fantastic, or after a facial, or almost fatal. Anyway, I didn't know, and I read the whole box, and it turns out it means antioxidant formula. Makes sense. Anyway, these come in these little ampoules, squeezy things. Looks like that. You just twist off the top, and out comes enough for your face, and almost enough for your neck and chest. By the way, anything you use on your face, use it on your neck and chest as well. Very important, because the skin is just as sensitive, if not more, than the skin on your face. Next item, CoverGirl 405 Double Platinum. It's Melting Pout Glitz. What this stuff does is it makes any sort of matte lipstick that you have on glossy, like a lip gloss, and shiny, super shiny. It looks silver. Let me see if I can show you. See, it looks silver. And I guess it is, but it's like, see, yeah, look, that looks silver, doesn't it? But once you spread it over your lipstick, it becomes glossy and moisturized. I don't love matte lipstick. I like a lip gloss not only because of how it looks, but also because I don't like to have super dry, cracky lips. Okay, so last item that is my May favorite is, and you guys have seen this before, and here it is. It's that hippie dress that I tried on and liked very much when I tried it on. Well, it only got better because I wore it on vacation with my husband in downtown Naples. We went out to dinner. I wore it. I felt good in it. And it feels even better when 4 people compliment you on the street on what you're wearing. Anyway, I would have to say that this dress is my favorite purchase out of all of the What $100 Buys You videos, because let's face it, I don't always score on those hauls, do I? Yeah, that's probably why I don't make a lot of favorite videos, because I don't get a lot of things that I like a whole lot. And I'm hoping that this will be a favorite, and it's my new microphone. Cello. Anyway, I had a microphone that I was using and it sucked. Where is it? This thing. I hate it. So hopefully when I edit this video, the audio is better. I also have new lights, just need a new camera. Yeah, I've purchased probably 4 that I have returned because I did not care for them. Either it had way too many options and functions. I can't be bothered with that. It's too much to read. Yeah, the user's manual is this big. I can't handle it. Basically, I want to press record and just be finished. What? I'm doing May favorites, and I have to show everybody that this is my favorite for every month. Oh, me too. Yeah.
You're beautiful.
She's gorgeous.
I put her nose on the nose.
Okay.
Look, I got these Glam Glow samples, and I got your tank tops.
Thank you. Goodbye. Oh, take this with you. She got me some tank tops at Forever 21. Always want a white tank top. And I considered doing a What $100 Buys You at Forever 21. I'm still thinking about it because they do have cute stuff, and it doesn't necessarily only apply to a younger crowd. Although Forever 21, I have to enter at least twice for it to be my kind of store. Get it? Anyway, I lost track of what I was saying. Microphone. Okay, and new lights, camera. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard because you can spend a ton of money on a camera that does just as much or just enough as a cheaper camera would. And yeah, it's too much. So anyway, I promise that I will figure it out very soon. Maybe. Anyway, you guys, that is it for this May favorites video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. What I learned. I'm looking around as if I will find something I learned. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.